At Rovere Homes, we make it easy for you to create the perfect sofa for your space. Simply head over to our lounge section where you'll find a wide range of beautiful sofa designs waiting for you. Take your time, browse through the styles, choose the one that suits your home, then select the size, type, and color that fits your vibe. We offer a premium collection of fabrics and finishes to match your unique taste. In this video, we've picked the soft and stylish Bubble Boucle fabric. It's cozy, modern, and adds a touch of luxury to any room. Just place your order and sit back while we take care of the rest. From production to delivery and installation, Rovere Homes has got you covered. And now here's something special we're real happy to see. Our sofas find a place in your homes today. We've got a brand new video from a happy customer who just got their Brickline modular sofa. It's in that beautiful white bubble buckle with gold legs, stylish, cozy, and super comfy. And guess what? Their cat was the first to explore that soft fabric, then their little one jumped in too, bouncing and playing full of joy. When comfort's this good, it's fun for everyone. Pets, kids, and grown-ups too. Thanks for choosing Rovere Homes. Go ahead, place your sofa order and check out our website for more amazing designs just for you.